Exercise 14C, first question under that first one, 1 by 3x minus 6 is equal to 5 divided by 2. So we need to find the x value. So let us keep the x term on LHS and the numerical values on RHS. So we get 1 by 3x is equal to 5 by 2. When minus 6 goes to RHS, it becomes plus 6. So the next step, so 6 is nothing but 6 divided by 1. So we'll take LCM for 2 and 1. So the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So 1 by 3x is equal to 5 by 2 plus, so here multiply the denominator by 2 and then numerator by 2. So 6 multiplied by 2 will get 12 divided by 2. So 1 by 3x is equal to 5 plus 12 divided by 2. So since the denominator is same, we can add the numerators. One by 3x is equal to 17 divided by 2. We'll cross multiply. Two x is equal to 17 multiplied by 3. So we get 2x is equal to 51. So x is equal to 51 divided by 2. Two x by 3 minus 3x by 8 is equal to 7 divided by 12. So in this question, all the x terms and the numerical values are on LHS and RHS. So there is no need to interchange. So we'll find the LCM of 3 and 8. So if we find that the LCM of 3 and 8 is nothing but 24. So look at the first term, that is 2x divided by 3. So we should multiply the denominator by 8 so that we get 24. So we should multiply the numerator also by 8 minus 3x by 8. So 8 multiplied by 3 gives 24. So multiply the numerator also by 3, which is equal to 7 divided by 12. So 8 multiplied by 2x, we get 16x divided by 24 minus 9x divided by 24 is equal to 7 divided by 12. So we'll solve the numerator part, that is 16x minus 9x divided by 24 is equal to 7 divided by 12. We will solve the numerator part, that is 16x minus 9x. So we get 7x by 24 is equal to 7 divided by 12. We need the x value, so let us keep x in the LHS and the remaining terms to the RHS. So x is equal to 7 divided by 12. So here it is 7 divided by 24. So when it goes to RHS, it becomes 24 divided by 7. 7 and 7 will get cancelled and 12 and 24 will get cancelled by the number 2. So therefore x value is 2. Next question, x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus x minus 3 into x minus 2 minus 2x into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So first let us solve these two terms, that is multiply x with x and x with 3. So we get x square plus 3x plus 2 into x plus 2 into 3. So we get 2x plus 6. So next we need to solve x minus 3 into x minus 2. So we get plus x into x, x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x. So minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6. So next multiply minus 2x into x, minus 2x square, minus 2x into plus 1, minus 2x is equal to 0. So let us write the x terms together, that is x square plus x square minus 2x square. Then x terms, plus 3x plus 2x minus 2x minus 3x minus 2x Then the numerical values, that is plus 6, again plus 6 is equal to 0. So here x square plus x square is 2x square, 2x square minus 2x square. So that is 0. Next we have plus 2x minus 2x, plus 3x minus 3x. So we are left with minus 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. So minus 2x is equal to minus 12. Minus and minus will get cancelled. So 2x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 divided by 2. So we get x value to be 6. Next question, 1 by 10 minus 7 by x is equal to 35. So let us keep the x terms on LHS. So that is minus 7 by x is equal to 35 plus 1 by 10. When it goes to RHS, it becomes minus 1 divided by 10. So now in the RHS, here it is nothing but 35 divided by 1. So the LCM of 1 and 10 is nothing but 10. So minus 7 by x is equal to, so here the numerator has to be multiplied by 10. So we get 350 minus 1. So minus 7 by x is equal to 350 minus 1, 349 divided by 10. So we need the x value. So that is x is equal to minus 7 multiplied by 10 divided by 349. So when we multiply that, we get minus 70 divided by 349. Next question, 13 into x minus 4 minus 3 into x minus 9 minus 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So first multiply 13 by x and 13 with 4. So we get 13x minus, so 13 into 4 we get 52. So similarly next minus 3 into x minus 3 into minus 9. So we get minus 3x plus 27. Next minus 5 into x minus 5 into 4. So minus 5x minus 20 is equal to 0. So let us write the x terms together. So we get 13x minus 3x minus 5x. Next the numerical value, that is minus 52 plus 27 minus 20. So when we solve this, we'll get, so when we solve the x terms we get 5x, and when we solve the numerical values we get minus 45, which is equal to 0. So we get 5x is equal to plus 45, x is equal to 45 divided by 5. So when we divide this we get 9. So therefore x value is equal to 9. Next question, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17x by 6 minus 5x by 8. So let us solve this simultaneously both on LHS and RHS. So we get, here if we take the LCM on the LHS we get 3. So we get 3x plus 7 multiplied by 3 is 21 minus 8x divided by 3 is equal to, and here in the RHS part for 6 and 8 if we take the LCM value is 24. So 6 multiplied by 4 we get 24. So multiply 17 into 4 we get 68. So 68x minus, so 8 into 3 24. So multiply the numerator also by 3. So we get minus 15x. So the next step, when we solve this we get 3x minus 8x minus 5x plus 21 divided by 3 is equal to 53x divided by 24. So we'll cross multiply 3 into 53x is equal to 24 into minus 5x plus 21. So when we multiply this we'll be left with 159x is equal to minus 120x plus 504. So let us take the x terms together, that is 159x plus 120x is equal to 504. So that is 279x is equal to 504. So from this we get x is equal to 504 divided by 279. We can stop it till here, or for further simplification we can divide both numerator and denominator by 3. So when we cancel we'll get 168 by 93. So this can be further simplified by the table 3. So we get 56 and here 31. So therefore x is equal to 56 divided by 31. Next question, 3x minus 2 by 4 minus 2x plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus x. So like the previous problem, here also we'll solve the sum simultaneously both on LHS and RHS. So here for the LHS we have 4 and 3 in the denominator. So if we take LCM, we get the LCM to be 12. So here we need to multiply the denominator by 3 so that we get 12. So multiply the numerator part also by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3x minus 2 minus, so 3 multiplied by 4 will get 12. So multiply the numerator part also by 4. So 4 into 2x plus 3, which is equal to, here this is nothing but x divided by 1. So the LCM of 1 and 3 is nothing but 3. So we get 2 minus 3x divided by 3. So the next step we'll multiply the bracket terms. So 3 into 3x and then 3 into minus 2. So we get 9x minus 6. Next step, minus 4 into plus 2x minus 4 into plus 3. So minus 8x minus 12 divided by 12 is equal to 2 minus 3x by 3. So next step we can simplify the terms on the numerator part. So 9x minus 8x will get x, minus 6 minus 12 will get minus 18 divided by 12 is equal to 2 minus 3x divided by 3. For the next step we'll cross multiply. So when we cross multiply we get 3 into x minus 18 is equal to 12 into 2 minus 3x. So first 3 into x, then 3 into minus 18. So we get 3x minus 54 is equal to 12 multiplied by 2 minus 3x into 12. So we get 24 minus 36x. So we'll write the x terms together and the numerical values together. So we get 3x plus 36x is equal to 24 plus 54. So that becomes 39x is equal to 78. So x is equal to 78 divided by 39. So we can cancel these two. We get the value to be 2. So therefore x value is equal to 2. Next question, x plus 2 by 6 minus 11 minus x by 3 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3x minus 4 divided by 12. So first we need to solve the bracket terms. So take x plus 2 by 6 as it is minus, so here the numerator or the denominator values are 3 and 4. So when we take LCM we get the answer to be 12. So we need to multiply the denominator by 4. So multiply the numerator part also by 4. So 4 multiplied by 11 minus x minus multiply the denominator by 3. So the numerator by 3 minus 3 divided by 12. Write the RHS part as it is. So the next step we'll get x plus 2 divided by 6 minus of 4 multiplied by 11, then 4 multiplied by minus x. So 44 minus 4x minus 3 divided by 12 is equal to 3x minus 4 divided by 12. So for the next step, x plus 2 divided by 6 minus 44 minus 3, 41 minus 4x divided by 12, which is equal to 3x minus 4 divided by 12. So in the LHS we'll take LCM of 6 and 12. So if we take LCM, the answer is 12. So multiply here the numerator by 2. So 2 multiplied by x plus 2 minus of 41 minus 4x divided by 12 is equal to 3x minus 4 divided by 12. So 12 and 12 will get cancelled. We will multiply the terms. We get 2x plus 4 minus 41 plus 4x is equal to 3x minus 4. So let us write the x terms together and the numerical values together. We get 2x plus 4x minus 3x is equal to minus 4 plus 41 minus 4. So in the LHS we get 3x is equal to RHS, when we solve that we'll get 33. So therefore x is equal to 33 divided by 3. So x is equal to 11. Next question, 2 by 5x minus 5 by 3x is equal to 1 by 15. So in the LHS, the denominator part we have 5 and 3. So when we take LCM, we get the value to be 15. So when we solve this, we get 6 minus 25 divided by 15x is equal to 1 divided by 15. So 6 minus 25 we get minus 19 by 15x is equal to 1 by 15. So 15 and 15 will get cancelled. So minus 19 by x is equal to 1. So from here x is equal to minus 19.